Hi, my name is Nella. I'm 39 years old. I'm from Vancouver, BC, and I was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis 10 years ago. Ulcerative colitis is an inflammation of the large intestine. Basically, your digestive system has a hard time breaking down foods, and it causes diarrhea and excessive bleeding. Prior to coming to Sunridge, I felt that the care that I was given in Vancouver was just not enough for me. Basically, nobody was listening to me. All they wanted to do was put me on Remicade, and I refused. Well, having ulcerative colitis and being a mom is hard because when I was pregnant, I was put on prednisone, and my baby was 2 months early, premature. Maybe he could have survived an extra couple months in my womb if I didn't have this condition, if I was able to give him the nutrients that he needs on the inside as opposed to on the outside. Before I made the decision to come to Sunridge, I was feeling just lost, and I didn't want to leave the house. I didn't want to take my kid to the park. I couldn't even go out for coffee and socialize with my girlfriends because I felt like it was too hard to even have a conversation with them because I didn't have the energy for it. I could barely make it from my home 3 blocks away to the park, let alone play on the slides and the swing with my son. I went through depression. I went through just not feeling like I'm a good person. I went through bouts of anger. That's just not me. I was constantly upset and sad, and that's not the type of person that I am. I come from a very happy family. I had a happy upbringing, and I just felt like my son deserved more. He deserved a mom that was going to be able to play and run around with him. I had no other alternative because Vancouver doctors were not doing anything for me, and I needed someone to listen to me. And I had heard good things about Dr. Franco, and I knew that I had to do something about it. So I got on a plane with my husband and child and flew to Phoenix. I instantly felt like I was in good hands. I instantly felt like Dr. Franco understood me, and Dr. Franco listened to me. He was going to find out why I was feeling the way that I do, and he was going to help me. And I believe that. And I can't say that I felt like that with any other physician. He was very honest and said, you know, we had a long road ahead of us, but it was going to happen and that I was going to feel better. I felt like they were here for me, and I didn't just feel like I was being rushed in and rushed out and, okay, your treatment is done, get out. Dr. Franco, during my treatments, always made an appearance and came in and he pulled up a chair and sat and talked to me. It wasn't just him saying, you know, my staff's going to help you out, you know, I'll see you later or something. He always came in to make sure that I was okay and asked me how I was feeling. So my experience with the treatments, first of all, the staff is amazing. It's a very, I don't know, it feels like they're all family here, and it just feels like everyone genuinely cares about you. I went back to Vancouver, and not only did I feel good, but everyone around me, my family and closest friends, all looked at me and said that I looked amazing, that I looked like the old Nella that they knew years ago. And that made me feel better, because not only were they saying that and I knew they weren't lying, because I actually felt that way. I felt like I had energy and I felt like I can do anything. I came back to Sunridge with my husband for another 3 or 4 treatments, and I just came back because I want to keep feeling good, and I want to keep this momentum going, and I don't want to just stop. And I enjoy coming here. I enjoy being here. I feel good when I'm here. And I didn't come back because I was feeling lousy at home. I came back because I want to keep feeling good. And I want And I know that my recovery is going to take a while. It's going to take me some time, but I am so confident, and I haven't been this confident for 10 years, that I'm on the road to recovery. I'm feeling great. I'm doing yoga again. It's wonderful.